It's too volatile right now, though. It feels weird.
It's probably a day that you shouldn't be trading. I traded today because I wanted to trade. Wasn't the wisest decision, but we live and we learn.
Hi, hope you're doing well. It's Yaz. I'm documenting my journey to trying to become profitable via day trading. The Nasdaq is doing a lot. It's kind of interesting, but I haven't done any of my levels yet, so I'm gonna do that now. Let's do array. Actually, no, let's not do that one. Horizontal array. 18390. I'm gonna just put that there. Settings. I'm gonna put overnight high, but I don't know if that's true or not. I'm gonna update that. 18390. I'm gonna keep it dashed because I'm not sure. Text is gonna be 18390. Oh, there you go. Text is gonna be right there. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna lock that, and I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna do yesterday's high of day. Let's see. 18,979.75. 18,979.75. That's yesterday's high. 979.75 perf. And then this is not gonna be dashed because we are confident in that one. But we need to move this over. Perf. And we're gonna copy that and do the low of day. 18,385.75. This is yesterday's low of day. Okay. Now let's go to the 30 minutes to just see where the overnight high and low ended. Okay. The overnight high was that actually. Because this was at, the initial opening. It was a gap down, but it was the overnight high because then it only went lower. And what's the overnight low? So let's update that. Let's make it solid because that's true. And let's do the overnight low. The overnight low is right here. Right, this low is 17,351, and this low is 17,362. So 17,351 is lower than that. So we're gonna put 17,351. Yep. And we're gonna be okay. Oh wait, let's change the text to overnight low. So what's going on? Let's see what's going on. I know there was some kind of correction. Let's see what the daily is. So this isn't just the June contract. This is like the entire Nasdaq future. Yeah, it's not just a September contract. It's all of the contracts aggregated into one view. So let's just see where price was the last time it was here. I mean, it seems like where price is at right now, actually. Where price is at right now is an important level. So I'm just gonna, on a daily, I'm gonna just put a little line right there. Also, I'm gonna put another line over here. Seems like this is an important level. Also, if there was to be another downside target, even though I don't think that's gonna happen, it'll just be good to know. Okay, so we have some levels. Let's go to the 4 hour, see what's happening over there. Let's see what happens once it goes over this 17,915 number. Let's see what happens over there. But I'm pretty sure it's going to want to reject and then go back up. So let's see it hit, like, go beneath it and then go back up. I mean, I don't really see much of anything that's happening right now. I mean, a huge sell-off. And if you were using fundamental analysis to understand why that was, then that might be interesting, but I'm going to refrain from that because I want to focus on technical analysis. Also, it seems as though there's a cute little level over here at 19,680. I'm just going to put a line there for the fun of it, okay? I'm going to put a line there for the fun of it, but if I go to the 4 hour, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, there's a level. It's a semi-level. Okay, so I don't really see much. I'm gonna see what happens at. See, it tried to go above it. The high was 17,952. Let's go to 30 minute. I just want to see. Oh, see, they're trying to push this back up. They're trying to fix it. Let's see if it goes down again. Ooh. I kind of want to be a part of this now. Top step X. Oops. Let's see if it rejects. I want to see it hit 17,915. And I need to, let's look at the smaller ones. Let's go to a 5 minute here and a 1 minute here. And review. Okay, so let's see. I mean, it's definitely rejecting at 17,930-ish. What price was it at when it rejected over here? At 4 o'clock in the morning. I mean, it went up pretty high. 17,982. 17,950 would have been a good entry. Let's see what happens here. Damn, it already went down. 17,950. Let's see what happens in the next 3 minutes. Let's go to a 15 minute up here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, 17,930. I want to get an alert there. And let's see what happened. What orders are sitting there at 17,930. Damn, it's already going down. Ooh, this is weird. I don't know if I'm seeing this correctly. Why is it like this? There's like missing. That's so weird. What does that mean?
Okay, so there were gaps in the DOM because it was an extremely volatile market this morning due to weak economic data reported last week related to unemployment claims and manufacturing. This makes the market and the world think that the United States is headed into a recession, meaning that people just are not spending as much money. Because the United States has the largest economy in the world, combined with poor forecasts from the most influential tech companies in the United States, the NASDAQ, which is a tech-heavy index, fell into a correction. So the Magnificent Seven, or those influential tech companies, are Alphabet, Google, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. And a correction means that there was a significant drop in prices, or the price of the NASDAQ, because they were inflated or overpriced. So yeah, related global markets that depend on the United States also fell. And so it's an interesting day to be in the markets, but it's probably a day that you shouldn't be trading. I traded today because I wanted to trade. Wasn't the wisest decision, but we live and we learn.
17,870. I want to see what happens there. 17,870. That's so weird. What does this mean that there's gaps in the DOM? Alright, well. What is volume telling us? They're trying to push the price back up. Alright, well, I've roughly put out my levels. I want to see what's gonna happen at the 17,915 level. Where's this high? 17,919. 17,915. Okay, let's see what happens. I think it's consolidating a little bit. We're gonna see which direction wins. I think it's gonna go back down. I mean, this 15-minute. Yeah. Okay, well. Oh, it's trying to rally. Oh, it's trying to push through. Oh my goodness. Honestly, it's a perfect time to sell. What is that? That's so random. What in the world is that? Okay, I should sell. It's too volatile right now, though. It feels weird. It feels so weird. But it's still in the overnight range, so maybe I should not be hasty right now. I think it's gonna try to go to the overnight high. That was a huge push up. That was weird. I mean, I could go long. Let's go long. What's the account that I'm not gonna have anymore? I think it's the 6-1. Let's like make sure. What's the overnight high? 385. I don't know, bro. It's weird. It's giving weird. Let's see it retrace a little bit. Will it actually get to the overnight high though? I mean, 1840. Let's buy. This is the weirdest price action I've ever seen in my whole life. But this account isn't important to me because I'm focusing on another one, but I just wanted to see what would happen. Oh. There you go. Alright, I read Jack that. You're so annoying. And it literally just hit me. Okay. I don't love this price action. I don't know why, it just feels so weird. Like it feels so weird. Okay, well, that was an account that I didn't really care about. I don't know what to make sense of all this. This is very interesting, but I think that if it goes back to 17,915, you should buy.